This is a 2014 Ford F150 with the 3.7 V6. We just did a nice custom catback dual exhaust system. Left all the factory catalytic converters and resonator in there. Just give it some rumble with a nice Flowmaster Super 44. Out the side with some nice 4-inch stainless steel roll tips. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, this should be just what the customer ordered. Got a little rumble to it for a V6. Okay, so the customer wanted a little more sound on his F-150 here, so we did remove the resonator. First video we had a sound clip with the resonator, so we're going to do one without the resonator just to show you the difference. Let's see what it sounds like now. Well, that definitely woke it up quite a bit, so he's definitely going to know the difference now. So just removing the resonator made that much difference, as you can see.